In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a book tracker in Notion using a free template. If you love reading or you're trying to build a reading habit, having a simple digital system to track your books can make a huge difference. Notion is perfect for this because it lets you organize, filter, and review everything in one place. And the best part is, we're going to use a ready-made template, so you don't have to build it from scratch. To get started, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Marketplace on that left sidebar. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This is where Notion collects templates that you can easily add to your workspace. Once the Marketplace page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type in Book Tracker. Take a moment to make sure you type it correctly so you get the most relevant templates. After you press Enter, Notion will show you a list of templates related to book tracking and reading management. From the search results, look for the template called Book Tracker. It should clearly mention that it's for tracking books or reading. Click on that Book Tracker template to open its details page. Here, you'll usually see a description of how the template works, a preview of the layout, and sometimes screenshots showing you how the database is set up. This is a good moment to quickly scan through and make sure it matches what you're looking for, like logging titles, authors, reading status, and maybe ratings or notes. When you're ready to add it to your own Notion workspace, look for the button that says Add. Click on Add, and Notion will automatically create a copy of this book tracker template inside your workspace. This may take a few seconds, but once it's done, you'll be taken directly to your new tracking page. From here, you can start personalizing it. Edit property names to match how you like to read, add a few sample books, and adjust views like currently reading or finished to suit your style. The core structure is already built for you, so you can jump straight into logging your books and enjoy a clean, organized overview of your reading life.